You see it in many other things, like our word for an elder, gichi-aya'aa, great being. Literally, great being. Mindamuye, elderly woman, that really is like one who holds things together. Describes the role of the family matriarch. But boy, in English, what do you got? I mean, old woman, elderly woman, aged woman, you know? No wonder, yeah, it's a pretty ageist culture. It is. And we trip people up so badly with this value, where we expect you to be young forever. And no wonder nobody wants to admit how old they really are, wants to dye their hair all the time, Botox injection, facelift, whatever, you know? Like trying to preserve an unattainable definition of worth.